Hello students, I hope week 2 is going well. I just wanted to quickly check in and give you a couple reminders. This week we are in module 2 of this semester and we're focusing on research methods and biopsychology. So you're reading chapters 2 and 3. As far as what you should be doing, explore the announcements which you'll find this recording in the announcement area. Look at the helpful resources and the research paper materials if you have time to explore that. But the assignment due this Sunday is the discussion 1. This is about either a famous psychologist of your choice that we covered in chapter 1 or about a topic in the brain, biopsychology topic that interests you. Now, last week when we had your course scavenger hunt and participation activity due, several of you had questions as to I completed it, why did I still get an overdue notice? So I wanted to point out the right way to go about completing these assignments. I myself, just like you, am new to Brightspace. So I'll take a moment and show you when you get into your Brightspace and you go into your class, which is PSY101 W08. When you go into your class, there's a couple ways to get to your assignments. Many students find it easy to quickly click on the discussions list and scroll down, or the quizzes list and scroll down. Another way students have probably done it is by clicking on the calendar. And all those are fine, but the best way to do assignments in this class is go into content from your home screen, go into content. When you get to content, you'll see the table of contents on the left hand side. When you scroll down to learning units and modules, this is where you'll find all your course materials, including your PowerPoints, your assignments, any resources that you need in order to succeed as it relates to the course assignments and course content. So click on learning units and modules, then click on unit 1 since we are currently in unit 1. Last week we did module 1, this week we're doing module 2. So when you click on module 2, you'll see the PowerPoint slides for chapter 2. You'll also see the PowerPoint slides for chapter 3, and you'll see the discussion assignment, which if you click on it and complete it that way, that's the best way to ensure that you won't get the overdue notice. Some students clicked on the discussions in the list over here and then completed it that way last week. A, it makes it difficult for me to grade and others to be able to respond to you, and B, it will give you an overdue notice. So I see that some of you have already started responding from clicking on the discussion list. I encourage you to go back into the content. Again, that's content, learning units, scroll down to unit 1 and then module 2. You'll find all the information as to what you're expected to finish by the end of this week, your resources like your slides and your assignments. You'll find it all over here. All right, students, all the best. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.